What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know the thing going. You don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Some people right about now, me I gonna talk about controversial social media sensation. I'm gonna talk Jamaican Ivany, my people. Seeing Ivany, right? Seeing? So Ivany, now my people, find ourselves again in problem. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. I don't know Ivany does love trouble, so I don't know how she love problems so as a young age of people, young female, at a young age, at a young female. Yeah, Jaja, wait. Seeing my people, she just love it so. Seeing? So again, basically a video go out there, my people, go viral with Ivany, basically abuse a dog. Again and again and again. Same thing over and over and over. Now my people, you don't know so Jamaica have all type of people who respond to this, who respond to that, my people. So you have some Jamaican now who decide to say, no, Ivany, we have seen the video and we are expecting something must be done to you about this video. And you know what I mean, the people, so she is coming under a lot of pressure right now from these set of people, and them decide to, you know, action need to be taken against her for what she did to the dog. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK. So we just want to read this article and our people for to get a full understanding of what me I talk about, because basically if me just talk, we not go fully understand. So I want to get the root of it, what them a say and what them a deal it about Ivany. But yo, Ivany, boy, you love trouble here, man. If you like that, make you get big still. Just so you go. True. Read this thing attacking boss. St. James, Jamaica. Repulsed by a video showing a social media personality abusing a dog. Managing Director at the Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, JSPCA, Pamela Lawson, on Monday called for stronger laws to punish the type of behavior shown. This was the second time she said that the woman named Ivany has made her way onto JSPCA's radar. In the latest video that emerged on Ivany's Instagram IG account on Monday, the woman, clad in what seems to be lingerie, is seen approaching what appears to be a male Shih Tzu. The animal is on its back, its played legs tied to keep it in place. Ivany is seen jumping, doing a split, and then strangling the animal. She then rolls off the small dog, laughing, and the video ends. About a month and a half ago, she did something more suggestive with the dog. And if you think this is upsetting, you do not want to see that video, Lassa told News Monday afternoon. It is repulsive, isn't it? But it's obvious the more depraved things are, the more followers you end up with, she said. Lassa is open, Instagram will shut down Ivany's account. Not me, people, you understand, Lassa said that. Locally, she is open to see more teeth to laws that protect animals. The existing legislation, she said, it's pathetic, weak, and antiquated. I can say to you that there are government personnel at the moment trying to do something about this because we are concerned about it. It is very distasteful and traumatic and distressing, but my ultimate concern is, why can't I take away that dog? She questioned. To me, that will be the ultimate, not even so much giving her the disadvantage of locking her up, but being able to take away that animal, she added. But with the ineffective laws, even if the animal were removed, Lassa added, there is nothing to stop Ivany from getting another one. Ivany Wright is no stranger to controversy. Last June, she was given a 6-month suspended sentence after pleading guilty to 2 counts of larceny by trick. The case involved 2 high-end iPhones. In 2020, she was charged by the police after she failed to deliver a social media page despite being paid. Monday's video also drew outrage from Tommy Brown, Managing Director of Montego Bay Animal Haven. I saw it and it is disgusting, but it's cruelty and it needs to be addressed. The dog needs to be taken away from her and she needs to be arrested or whatever she can be charged with, said Brown. The Haven doesn't have the authority to go into somebody's property and take it. The police need to be involved to get the animal under the Animal Crueltyness Act and to prosecute her. Brown said members of her team reached out to Ivany via her Instagram page but were greeted with profanity and no show of remorse. She is reaching a lot of people here and abroad. They are already up in arms about it because my phone has been going off the hook, said Brown. It is animal cruelty, and I think the worst part for me is that we work so hard to gain a positive image for Jamaica, especially when we get so many tourists that come and visit, but the cruelty and the neglect they see, they never want to return. Ivany's IG page has since been changed to a private account. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Ivany. But on a real level, my people, you understand the animal cruelty thing. You understand and the wickedness and the animal thing, and it's not a good thing, my people, because me love animal, you understand? Yeah man, me love my dog, me love my cat them. No joke about it, my people. But I'm saying honestly, most Jamaicans do hit their animal. You understand? Yeah man, because when the dog comes to boom, you know, and jaw with your slippers and gone down there so with the slippers and you catch him, my people, you slap him. When you put on the piece of chicken around there, some people, and cut you up and you just left you and go say, Master, you did find the thing, the knife, more the file the knife, you know. And you come back, and when you look at chicken leg gone or a wing gone, and you find the dog people, you slap him. Not true. Of course, man, when the dog go in there and take out the garbage, them and scatter them in the yard, my people, you slap him. Don't. And when the cat comes to boom and go up on the stove, my people, and take out the fish out of the pot, you slap him and turn over everything and mess up under the bed with him filth, my people. You slap him. You understand? When the dog comes to boom and leg out in the yard, my people, you slap him. You know what I mean? So, 99%, me I tell you the truth, people. Jamaican people eat dog. Them slap dog. Yeah, mean? Me do it already too. You understand? Yeah, but the thing is, you never see me. Yeah, me say me do it already. I'm not gonna say me I do it now. But of course it do happen even in your past or what. You know what I mean? But the thing is, what I'm saying is when people use social media doing these things and are doing it for fun, doing it for joke. Yeah, and it is cruelty and it's against the animal. See? In a certain circumstances, they do happen where upset and and you do something and then I feel sorry for the animal. You know what I mean? They are animal, they are dumb animal, my people. But it's when you come on social media now, doing it to get views and gain attention, that's where problem come in. So there's where a lot of people going to bash the people who are lick out against it and I say, yo, we don't need to go do this and there's other things you don't need to do and leave the woman with the dog. But we have to understand. Like England, you understand America, a lot of countries in the world, most countries in the world, when it comes out to animal, it's a serious thing. Very, very serious. And if you can look and say where them take up the mongrel there and ship them out on planes, send them to Canada. When I them to Canada now in a spike heel boat, and this and that, you know what I mean, name brand clothes. Mongrel dog, me I tell about them, look how we used to dip on the road on there. You understand? Yes. So you know, say animal thing is a serious thing. So you see this thing now comes about when it reach these people and them talk about it and they're really serious about it, people. And then a joke thing, a real thing and a serious thing. See? You do your thing and you come on social media. That means you don't care. So whatever thing happen to you, you cause it on yourself. So I have seen comments where a lot of people is bashing out and I said the people need, there's other things where they need to go do. Look how much kids missing at Jamaica. Look how much this, look how much that. But you have to all understand, man. You know what I mean? Somebody who really smart and think will understand. And I do understand. As I say, people, it do happen where things do happen, yes and that. But it's when you've been doing the crueltiness and you've been using it to gain from it. Come on, think about it. You know what I mean? Think about it. You know dog is important to a lot of people in this world. And I think dog is really important, you know. Maybe your dog don't train enough, but dog is really important. Dog is important to me because they are my security in my yard. You understand? So they are really important to me. 99% better than the security where you're the PR man if you come watch a place. The dog is way more better because when the dog come in your yard with people, you understand, me not have to give him money, me not have to this for people. And me trust him 1,000,000% more because he can't care news for me. Or say what such and such things is certain things. But you know, say you can have a human being in your yard to watch a place. And them do set you up. You get what I say? So I trust the dog more, my people. No joke about it. But as me say, people, we have to just sit back, watch, relax, and see how this one played out. You understand? They are calling for stiffer laws to be implemented in Jamaica, which, as I can hear in the article, people, we don't got all of these hard laws and these tough laws in Jamaica that can really do certain things and really prosecute her in a tight way. You know what I mean? Yes, there can be ways where they can take the animal from our people, but as them say, you don't have a law where can say ban her from having a dog or have, you know what I mean? You can't do that. So as we see, the laws in Jamaica when it comes to animal in certain ways, based on what they are saying, is really weak, and they would like some tighter laws to be implemented that can, you know what I mean, put up a structure where things like these cannot happen again. You know what I mean? But as I say, Ivany, boy, She's really dramatic, my people, and she always do some things that cause these things on herself. I don't know why or what fun she do finding it, my people. You know, but for me personally, these are not fun. These are not joke. You understand? It just make you look stupid and make you look fool. For me personally. Some people big up in the self, man, and more love, more respect, and more blessings. You don't know the attacking boss and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production.